Good morning students. Welcome to today's maths class. Today we are going to see year paper 2019. So this is part 1 of year paper 2019. Look at the first sum here. The face value of each share is rupees 10. If dividend is 16%, then what will be the income from 600 shares? Face value means the value of one share. So value of one share is given as value of one share is equal to rupees 10. So now the person buys 600 shares. Then value of 600 shares is equal to 600 into value of one share is 10 rupees. So 600 shares means 600 into 10, which is nothing but rupees 6,000. Now we need to find how much dividend they get from 6,000 rupees. Dividend means the interest we gain from shares. The interest we gain from money we lend is called as interest. Simple interest or compound interest. The interest we gain from or the money we gain from shares is called as dividend. Okay, so for dividend it is rupees 6,000. So dividend is given as 16% of 600 shares. That is 16% of 6,000. 16% means 16 by 100 into 6,000. 0 gets cancelled. 16 into 60. 0, 6 are 36, balance 3, 6 ones are 6 plus 3, 9, rupees 960. So the dividend they obtain from 600 shares is equal to rupees 960. So copied on this one, let's go to next sum. A solid gold ball of radius 7 cm was melted and then drawn into a wire of diameter 0.2 cm. Find the length of the wire. First we have a gold ball. So let me take this one as a ball. The radius of this ball is given as 7 cm. Now this ball is melted and it is formed into a wire of cylindrical shape. This is the wire and diameter of this wire D is given as 0.2 centimeter. Now we need to find what is the length of the wire. That is, if I find what is height of the cylinder means that is nothing but length of the wire because the wire is in the shape of cylinder. Now tell me one thing, this sphere, that is this ball is melted and formed into the wire. Then volume of the ball and volume of wire must be equal, right? So we can equate volume of ball and volume of wire. So for ball, it is in the form of sphere. So ball, it is in the shape of sphere. So for sphere, radius is given as 7 cm. And here we have wire, which is in the shape of cylinder. For this diameter is given as 0.2 centimeter. Then radius is equal to diameter by 2. That is 0.2 divided by 2. 2 gets cancelled, 0.1. Radius is equal to 0.1 centimeter. So sphere and for wire we have radius. Look here, volume must be same. So volume of cylinder or wire, volume of wire is equal to volume of sphere. So volume of sphere is nothing but 4 by 3 pi r cube and volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h. So we can substitute here for this one 4 by, for cylinder we have pi r square h. For sphere we have 4 by 3 pi r cube. So Let me take radius of sphere as R1. So in formula we have R1 cube and radius of cylinder as R2. So here we have R2. Now we can substitute the formula, substitute the value here. So we get pi 22 by 7 into R square. What is R square? R2 square. R2 is 0.1 square into H is equal to 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into R1, that is 7 cube. Here 22 by 7, if I bring this side, means 0.1 into 0.1 into H is equal to 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 7 cube into 7 by 22. 22, 7 gets cancelled. Let me keep H in one side. So keeping H in one side in other things, 4 by 3 into 7 cube into 1 by 0.1 into 0.1. 4 into 7 into 7 into 7 divided by 3 into 0.1 into 0.1. So 4 into 7 sevens are 49. 49 into 7, 343 divided by 3 into 0.01. 3 fours are 12, balance 1. 4 fours are 16 plus 1, 17, balance 1. 4 threes are 12 plus 1, 13. 1, 3, 7, 2, 3 into 0.01. If I use 3 table means 1 3 is 3. 4 threes are 12, balance 1. 5 threes are 15, balance 2. 7 threes are 21. So if I put decimal point means I get 1. 3 times 9, again 3 times 3, 3. It will go on like this. So let me stop here. Let me multiply and divide by 100 on both sides. Numerator and denominator. If I multiply and divide on 100 means the decimal point moves 2 places. So if I move 2 places means 1, 2. 45733.33 divided by 1. So we get 45733.33 centimeter. So centimeter to meter means we need to divide by 100. So 4. We know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So dividing by 100 we get 45733.33 divided by 100. So we get 457.3333 meter. In option we have 457.33 meter. So height is equal to 457.33 meter. Let's go to next sum. A horse is tethered for grazing inside a rectangular field 70 meter by 52 meter and is tethered to one corner by a rope 21 meter long. How much area can it graze? There is a horse. It is tied to a field. So let me take this one as a rectangular field. So this is the rectangular field. So let me consider here. So here there is a rope and the horse is tied here. Now the horse can move up to this one. The length of rope is given as 21 meter. Now the field length is given as, length of the field is given as 70 meter and breadth is given as 52 meter. So now we need to find how much portion that the horse can graze. So look here, it can graze only up to the radius of 21 meter. It can graze up to radius of 21 meter. So here 21 meter, here 21 meter. It can graze up to 21 meter. Here 21, here 21. So it is like the shape of a quarter circle. So it can graze up to here. So this is 21 meter and this one is also 21 meter. So here is the horse. So the horse can graze up to this part. Now we need to find what is the area of this shaded part. How can we find the area of this shaded part? It is very simple. Look here. This is 1 by 4 of a circle. If you take a circle means this is half of the circle and this part is nothing but 1 by 4 of a circle. So if I find what is 1 by 4 of area of a circle, area of a circle is equal to pi r square, 1 by 4 of area of circle. So 1 by 4 of pi r square, that is pi r square by 4. So area of the part that the horse grazes is equal to area of the grazed part is equal to pi r square by 4. Here radius is 21 meter. Radius is equal to 21 meter. So pi into 21 square divided by 4. So we can write 1 by 4 into pi means 22 by 7 into 21 into 21. This is 1 time, 3 time, 1 time. We can use 2 table, 2 time, 11 time. So we get 3 into 21 into 11 divided by 2. 3 into 11, 33. 33 into 21 divided by 2. So 33 into 21, 2 ones are 2 3s are 6, 2 ones. So we get 693 by 2. Dividing by 2 means 3 times. Again this is 4 times. 6.5. 346.5 square meter or meter square. So area that the horse can graze is 346.5 meters square. So this much area the horse can graze. Let's go to next one. A racing boat covers a distance of 66 km downstream in 110 minutes and it covers the same distance upstream in 120 minutes. The speed of the boat in still water is 34.5 km per hour. The speed of stream will. So let's take a river. So there is a boat which is traveling in this river. So it is traveling between two towns. So upstream means the flow of river. Listen, if this is the direction of flow of river means the direction similar to the flow of river is called as downstream. And the direction opposite to the flow of river. If this is the flow of river means if you are going in opposite direction means that direction is called as upstream. Downstream means same direction as flow of river and upstream means opposite direction. Suppose if you are traveling in a bridge means, remember when you are traveling upside on the bridge it will take much time, but if you are traveling in opposite time, if you are traveling in flat surface means you will reach the flat surface very quickly because that is you are going with the same flow as the road. So that speed adds with you. So there is a flow of water, speed of water. There is already speed of water. That speed of water, it adds to speed of boat. Speed of boat is given as 34.5 km per hour. So the speed of water always adds with speed of boat in downstream. When you are traveling in downstream means speed of boat and speed of water both gets added and your speed increases. But if you are traveling upstream means the speed of boat is decreasing because the stream speed reduces the speed of boat because you are traveling in opposite direction. That's why it reduces the speed. So if I take downstream means, So let's take downstream. If I take downstream means, let me take speed of, we need to find what is speed of stream. Let me take speed of stream is x kilometer per hour. So in downstream speed of boat, in downstream speed of boat is 34.5 kilometer per hour plus speed of stream. So downstream speed, if you are finding downstream speed means you get speed of boat plus speed of stream. Listen, downstream speed. Downstream speed is equal to speed of boat plus speed of stream. What is speed of boat? 34.5 kilometer per hour plus speed of stream is x. So 34.5 plus x kilometer per hour. This is downstream speed. And time taken in downstream. Downstream time is given as 110 minute. So speed is in kilometer per hour. So we need to convert this also to hour. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Then dividing by 60, 110 divided by 60, 0 gets cancelled. We get 11 by 6 hour. So time is equal to 11 by 6 hour. The formula to find distance. Distance is equal to speed into time. So downstream distance. Downstream distance is equal to speed. Speed, downstream speed is equal to 34.5 plus x into downstream time is 11 by 6 hours. So we can write 11 into 34.5 plus x divided by 6. This is downstream distance. Next, let's go for upstream. For upstream speed. For upstream speed, the speed of boat is reduced by speed of stream. So speed of stream. So for upstream speed, speed of boat minus speed of stream. So speed of boat is 34.5 minus x kilometer per hour and time. Upstream time is 120 minutes. So 120 divided by 60. 1 time, 2 time, 2 hours. Upstream distance is equal to speed into time. Upstream speed is 34.5 minus x into 2. We can write this one as 2 into 34.5 minus x. So this is upstream distance. Distance between two towns is always same, right? Even it is upstream distance or downstream distance. If this is the distance means distance between A to B is same as distance between B to A. So upstream distance is equal to downstream distance. Downstream distance is equal to upstream distance. So downstream distance is nothing but 11 into 34.5 plus x divided by 6 is equal to 2 into 34.5 minus x. So 11 into 34.5 plus x is equal to 2 going this side, 6 into 2, 6 2s are 12, 12 into 34.5 minus x, so 11 multiplying inside, 345.5, 34.5, 5 9s, 7 3, so we get 379.5 plus 11x is equal to 12 into 34.5, which is 414 minus 12x Keeping variables in one side and constant in other side, 11x plus 12x is equal to 414 minus 379.5. So 23x is equal to 414 minus 379.5, that is 34.5. X is equal to 34.5 divided by 23. So 34.5 divided by 23. One time we get 23, 11.5. 5 times we get 1150. So we get 1.5 kilometer per hour. X is nothing but speed of stream. So speed of stream. Speed of stream is equal to 1.5 kilometer per hour, which is the required answer. Let's go to next sum. The value of 10,000 1 square is 10,000 1 square. So we can write this one as 10,000 plus 1. 10,000 plus 1 whole square, that is a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So a square means 10,000 square plus 2 into 10,000 into 1 plus 1 square. So 10,000 square means we need to put 8 zeros. Plus 20,000 plus 1. So adding we get 1 0 0 2 0 0 0 1. So this is the required answer. 1001 square is equal to. Okay, let's go to next sum. So with the help of a ruler and compass, it is not possible to construct an angle of. So using compass and a scale, we can construct what are the angles. For example, first using scale and compass, we can form 90 degree. So we can form 90 degree. And if we bisect, this means we get 45 degree. And again, if I bisect 45 degree means I get 22 point. So again bisecting I get 22.5 degree. So 22.5 degree is not possible. Again 45 degree, for 45 degree and 22.5 degree. Again if I bisect below, this means exactly means I get 37.5 degree. So this one is also not possible. And 45 degree and 90 degree, if I bisect here means I get 67.5 degree. So the only possible thing that we can't construct using compass and ruler is 40 degree. So the answer is 40 degree. We can't construct 40 degree using compass and ruler. Using protractor you can find any angle, but for using compass and ruler, this is the only possible way. Okay, let's go to next sum. What time period is taken when interest is calculated half yearly? So when compound interest is taken half yearly means the formula is principal into 1 minus, formula to find amount is principal into 1 minus r by 200 whole to the power 2n. So time period is taken 2 times. So you can write twice as much as the number of given years. So in formula we have 2n, so twice as much as number of given years. Next one, if a number is double, then which of the following is correct statement? So its cube is 2 times given number, its cube is 3 times given number, its cube is 6 times the given number, and its cube is 8 times the cube of given number. So let me take the number x. If I take cube for x means, what is cube of x? X cube. And if x is doubled means, so if I double x means, so I am doubling the given number, doubled. Doubled means 2 into x, that is 2x. Now they are taking cube for 2x. So cube of 2x is 2x whole cube, that is 2 cube x cube, 2 cube 8, 8x cube. Look here, x cube, 8x cube, 8 into x cube. So how much it is greater? 8 times. So you can write its cube is 8 times the cube of given number. Next one. Which of the following is the cube root of minus 64 by 343? Minus 64 by 343. I need to take cube root. So if I take cube root means, so cube root I can take minus outside. So if I take minus outside means minus 64 by 343. So we can write minus to numerator and denominator. So minus and cube root. We know that cube root of p by q is equal to cube root of p by cube root of q. So using this we get cube root of 64 by cube root of 343. Cube root of 64 is nothing but 4 into 4 into 4, and cube root of 343 is nothing but 7 into 7 into 7. So from this triplet I can take one number, that is 4. From this triplet I can take one number, 7. So cube root of minus 64 by 343 is equal to minus 4 by 7. So let's go to the next sum. Minus 1 by 2 power minus 1 plus 2 by 3 whole square minus 3 by 4 power 0 whole power minus 2 is equal. So if I take this one means, listen, a by b whole power minus m is equal to b by a whole power m. So reciprocal, we can find the power in positive terms. So reciprocal of 2 by 1 is 2. 1 by 2 is 2 by 1. 2 by 1 whole power 1 plus 2 square by 3 square minus a power 0 is equal to 1. Anything power 0 is equal to 1. So 3 by 4 power 0 is equal to 1 whole to the power minus 2. Again 2 by 1 is 2, power 1 means 2 plus 4 by 9 minus 1. Here 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1, 1. 1 plus 4 by 9 whole to the power minus 2. 9 into 1, 9. 9 plus 4 by 9 whole to the power minus 2. 9 plus 4, 13. 13 by 9 whole to the power minus 2. Again we have a by b whole to the power minus m is equal to b by a whole to the power m. So just reciprocal. Reciprocal of 13 by 9 is 9 by 13. Now we can write positive power. So 9 square by 13 square. 9 square means 9 into 9 by 13 square. 13 into 13. 9 square is 81. 13 into 13, 169. So the answer is 81 by 169. 11th sum. Which of the following is equal to x cube minus 225x? We can factorize x cube minus 225x in order to find the value. So first 225x, in both the terms we have x as a common factor. X cube can be written as x into x square and 225x can be written as 225 into x. In both the terms we have x as a common factor. So let me take out the common factor outside, that is x. If I take out x means I get x square. Here we have taken x. So remaining factor is x square minus here we get 225. This can be rewritten as x into x square minus 225 can be written as 15 square. because 15 square is 225. X minus 15 square, it looks like x. A square minus B square. In place of A, I have x. In place of B, I have 15. A square minus B square is nothing but A plus B into A minus B. So if I substitute, mean x into x square minus 15 square, that is x plus 15 into x minus 15. So x cube minus 225x is equal to x into x plus 15 into x minus 15. This is the required answer. Okay, look at the 12th sum. The points minus 3, 2 and 2, minus 3 represent different points, same point, the origin, none of these. So we can mark in graph itself. So if we use graph, means this is x-axis, this is y-axis, this is x dash and this one is y dash. So this is origin, 0, 0 is origin, 1, 2, 3. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Again 1, 2. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So first point given is minus 3, 2. Minus 3, 2 means minus 3 in x-axis and 2 in y-axis. So this is the point minus 3, 2. So we can mark like this. This is the point minus 3, 2. And next one is 2, minus 3. If you take 2, minus 3 means 2 in x-axis and 3 in y-axis. So this is the point 2, minus 3. Look here, both are different points. So these two coordinates are different points. Therefore answer is different points. Because they are not in origin. Origin is 0, 0. They are not same points. They lie in, this is in second quadrant and this one is in fourth quadrant. So they both are different points. So let's go to next sum. If the dimensions of a room are LBH, L is length, B is breadth and height is H, then which of the following is the area of 4 walls? Area of 4 walls is nothing but lateral surface area. We have direct formula for lateral surface area. Lateral surface area of a cuboid is nothing but perimeter into height. Perimeter 2 into L plus B into height, which is nothing but 2H into L plus B. Therefore option A is the correct answer. This is direct formula. LSA of a cuboid. Area of 4 walls means that is LSA of a cuboid. We are omitting the top and bottom of the cuboid. If you are taking top and bottom means it is TSA, total surface area of a cuboid. This is lateral surface area LSA. So the correct option is 2H into L plus B. This is direct formula. Next one, if 1x, 2y, 3, 6z is a number which is divisible by 9, then the least value of x plus y plus z is. A number is divisible by 9 if its sum of digits is divisible by 9. For example, if you want to check 108, if you want to check whether 108 is divisible by 9 or not, means you can just add the digits, that is 1 plus 0 plus 8, which is equal to 9. So the sum is 9, which means it is divisible by 9. If the sum is not divisible by 9 means then the given number is also not divisible by 9. Here the given number is 1x, 2y, 6z. Now we need to find what is the least possible value of x plus y plus z. So if the number is divisible by 9 means, which means sum of digit is also divisible by 9, right? So if I find sum of digit means 1 plus 2, x plus 2 plus y plus 6 plus z. So we get 9 plus x plus y plus z. Listen, we get 9 plus x plus y plus z. We need to find what is the least possible value of x plus y plus z. If I put x plus y plus z is equal to 0. If I put x plus y plus z is equal to 0 means what you get? 9 plus 0 which is equal to 9. So it is divisible by 9. If I put x plus y plus z is equal to 1 means x plus y plus z is equal to 1 means you get 10, which is not possible. 10 is not divisible by 9, so sum we get 10. So if I put x plus y plus z is equal to 9 means I get 9 plus 9, 18. 18 is divisible by 9. Now if I put x plus y plus z is equal to 18 means I get 27. 27 is also divisible by 9. So the possible values of 9 x plus y plus z are 0, 9 and 18. In question they have asked the least possible value. That is the smallest value we can put. So the smallest value we can put for x plus y plus z is equal to 0. Because if you put 9 means again you get the answer which is divisible by 9 only. 18 also which is divisible by 9. But they have asked the word smallest possible number. So smallest possible number means the only thing you can put is 0. So the answer for x plus y plus z is equal to 0. If you put any number other than 0 means you don't get the least possible value. So x plus y plus z is equal to 0 is the least possible value. So copy down this one in your class book. Let's go to the next sum. Which of the following is a multiplicative identity of a rational number? Multiplicative identity means let a by b be a rational number. If you multiply a by b with one number means you should again get same number as a product. So what is the possible value? You need to multiply a by b by a number so that the product is also a same number. If you multiply a by b by 0 means you get product as 0. If you multiply a by b by minus 1 means the product is minus a by b which is not equal. So the only possible way is a by b into 1 which is equal to a by b. So 1, not even for rational numbers, 1 is the multiplicative inverse for all the numbers. 1 is the multiplicative identity. So what is the multiplicative identity? 1 is the multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity means if you multiply the given number with 1 means you should get again the same number. So this is only possible if that number is equal to 1. If you put 2 means you get 2a by b. So this is not possible. 1 is the only number that gives the same number as product. So the multiplicative identity of any rational number, if you take 8 by 9 into 1, you get 8 by 9. 11 by 25 into 1, you get 11 by 25. So what is the only multiplicative identity? 1. Minus 1 is not multiplicative identity. 1 is the multiplicative identity. So 1 is the answer. Let's go to next sum. The middle value of a class interval is 42. If the class size is 10, then the upper and lower limits of a class are respectively. So class intervals, let me take A and B as the class interval. So A and B is the class interval. Here A is called as lower limit and B is called as upper limit or upper value. So A is called as lower value and B is called as higher value, that is upper value, and middle value. So middle value, the formula for middle value is nothing but lower value plus lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. So what is lower limit here? A plus upper limit is B. A plus B by 2. So middle value. Middle value is equal to a plus b by 2. Here in question they have given middle value as 42. So 42 is equal to a plus b by 2. A plus b is equal to 2 into 42. So a plus b is equal to 84. So let me name this one as equation 1. A plus b is equal to 84. This is equation 1. And class size. Class size is given as 10. Class size is nothing but upper limit minus lower limit. Upper limit minus lower limit is equal to 10. Upper limit is b. Lower limit is a. B minus a is equal to 10. B minus a is equal to 10. So we can write b is equal to a plus 10. So now we can substitute value of b in equation 1. Equation 1 is nothing but a plus b is equal to 84. So a plus b. What is value of b? A plus 10 is equal to 84. A plus a. 2a plus 10 is equal to 84. 2a is equal to 84 minus 10. 2a is equal to 74. A is equal to 74 by 2. 2 table 1 time 37 time. So a is equal to 37. If a is equal to 37 means what is b? B is a plus 10. So b is equal to 37 plus 10, which is nothing but 47. So b is equal to 47. Therefore the limits are limits are 37 and 47, but we always write upper limit first and lower limit second. That is the procedure. So here A is lower limit and B is upper limit. So we need to write an opposite side because upper limit comes first and lower limit comes second. So how you should write is 47 and 37. Listen, upper limit first, lower limit second. That is how we write the limits. Therefore, upper, in question they have given then upper and lower limits. Question upper and lower limits. So upper limit is B. B is 47. Lower limit is C. 37. So 47 and 37. You should not mark 37 and 47. That is long because you have lower limit and upper limit. This is wrong. So option B is correct answer. Okay. Next, speed of a car is 54 1/2 kilometer. The distance traveled by it in 7/2 hour 35/2 minutes. So we need to find. So here it is given in fraction itself. So we can represent the answer in fraction. Speed, yes. So let me take speed as yes. Speed is given as 54 1/2 kilometer per hour. Let me convert this speed to improper fraction. 54 into 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. 108. 108 plus 1. 109. 109/2 kilometer per hour. So speed is equal to 109/2 kilometer per hour. And time. Time, let me take T. Time is given as 7/2 hour 35/2 minute. So I need to convert minutes to hours. So 7/2 hour plus 35/2 minute. We know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. If I want to convert minutes to hours means I need to divide by 60. So 7/2 hour plus 35/2 divided by 60. Now it has become hours. 7/2 hour plus 35/2 into 60. 7 times. This is 12 times. So we get 7/2 hour plus 7/2. 12s are 24. 7/24 hour. So we get 7 by 2 plus 7 by 24 hours. So if I take LCM means 2 is a factor of 24. So 24 is the LCM. So 7 12s are 7 2s are 14, balance 1, 7 1s are 7 plus 1, 8. 84 plus 7 by 24. This is one time. So 91 by 24. 91 by 24 hours. So time is equal to 91 by 24 hours. So distance, the formula to find distance is speed into time. Distance is equal to speed into time. So speed is nothing but 109 by 2 into time is nothing but 91 by 24. So if we multiply means 109 into 91 divided by 2 into 24, 48. 109 into 91, 10999. 9 9s are 81, balance 8. 9 zeros are 0 plus 8, 8. 9 1s are 9. 919. 9919. 9919 divided by 48 kilometer. So in option you have option C. So you can write. So option C, 9919 by 48 kilometer is the correct answer. So next question. The ages of A and B are in the ratio 5:7. 4 years from now on, the ratio of their ages will be 3:4. The present age of B is. So for present age, A is to B ratio is given as 5:7. So let me take present age of A as 5x and present age of B as 7x. So for present age of A is equal to 5x and present age of B is equal to 7x. Next, given that 4 years after, 4 years from on means 4 years after. So after 4 years, if your age is 10 years means after 4 years, what will be your age? 10 plus 4, 14. Now, present age of A is 5x. Then what will be age of A after 4 years? Now age of A is 5x. After 4 years means 5x plus 4. And now present age of B is 7x. After 4 years means 7x plus 4. Now after 7 years, after 4 years, the ratio of A and B is given as 3:4. So what is age of A after 4 years? 5x plus 4 is to 7x plus 4 is equal to 3:4. In ratios and proportions, we have that product of extremes. Product of extremes is equal to product of means. So product of extremes means 5x plus 4 into 4. Product of means 7x plus 4 into 3. 5x plus 4 into 4 and 3 into 7x plus 4. Multiplying inside 4 into 5x, 20x plus 4 4s are 16 is equal to 3 into 7x, 21x plus 3 into 4, 3 4s are 12. So keeping variables in one side and constant in other side, if I bring 20 that side means 21x, 20x coming this side, it becomes minus 20x, and 16 here if I bring 12 this side means minus 12. 16 minus 12, 4. 21 minus 20, x. So x is equal to 4. They are asked what is the percentage of B. So now B is, percentage of B is 7x. So 7 into 4, which is nothing but 28 years. So percentage of B is equal to 28 years, which is nothing but option B. Let's go to next sum. 36 is divided into two parts such that 5 times the first part added to 3 times the second part makes 142. The two parts are. So total is given as 36. Let first part is equal to x. Let me take first part as x. Then what about second part? So two parts. First part is x and total is 36 means then second part will be 36 minus x, right? So now we have two parts. It is given that 5 times first part. 5 times first part added to, so plus 3 times second part. 3 times second part. 5 times first part added to 3 times second part gives 142. So 5 times first part. What is first part? X. Plus 3 times second part, that is 36 minus x is equal to 142. 5x plus 3 into 36. 3 6 are 18. 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10. Minus 3 into x. 3x is equal to 142. 5x minus 3x. 2x. 108 going that side. 142 minus 108. 2x is equal to 142 minus 108 is nothing but 34. X is equal to 34 by 2. So x is equal to 17. First part is equal to 17. Second part is equal to 36 minus x. So 36 minus 17, which is nothing but 19. So the parts are 17 and 19. So let's go to next sum. Divide 1500 into two parts so that 10% of larger part exceeds 8% of smaller part by rupees 60. The value of larger and smaller parts are. So total is given as rupees 1500. Let me take larger part as. Larger part is equal to rupees x and smaller part. If total is 1500 and larger part is x means what about smaller part? Smaller part is nothing but 1500 minus x. It is given that 10% of larger part. 10% of larger part exceeds 8% of smaller part. That is the difference between larger and smaller part is equal to rupees 60. So 8%, 10% of larger part and 8% of smaller part is equal to 60. 10% of larger part is x minus 8% of smaller part. What is smaller part? 1500 minus x is equal to 60. So 10% of x means 10 by 100 into x minus 8% of 1500 means 8 by 100 into 1500 minus x is equal to 60. 10 by 100 into x means 10 into x 10x. 10x by 100 minus 8 by 100. Let me multiply inside. So 8 by 100 into 1500 minus into minus plus 8 by 100 into x is equal to 60. 0 0 gets cancelled. 8 into 15. 8 15s are 120. 10x by 100 minus 120 plus 8x by 100 is equal to 60. 120 coming this side becomes plus 120. 60 plus 120. 10x by 100 plus 8x by 100 is equal to 60 plus 120. So 10x plus 8x divided by 100 is equal to 180. 100 going that side becomes multiplication. 10x plus 8x. 18x is equal to 180 into 100. So x is equal to 180 into 100 divided by 18. 1 time 10 time. X is equal to 10 into 100, which is nothing but 1000. So larger part is equal to rupees 1000. Smaller part is equal to rupees 1500 minus x, that is rupees 1500 minus 1000, which is nothing but 500. Therefore, the correct option is option D, 1000 and rupees 500. Sum number 21. The value of x plus y plus z in the given figure is. So we are given a triangle. In this triangle, we need to find what is x, y, z. We need to find sum of x, y, z. Look here, x, y and z. All are exterior angles of a triangle. If this is a triangle, means x is the exterior angle, y is the exterior angle and z is also the exterior angle. We know that exterior angles of a triangle is 360 degree. So what is the exterior angles of triangle? The sum of exterior angles of a triangle is 360 degree. For this one, sum of exterior angles means x plus y plus z. So x plus y plus z is equal to 360 degree. So for this one, the answer is 360 degree, option C. Okay. Next one. If an angle of regular polygon is of measured 12 degree, then the number of its sides is exterior angle of a regular polygon. Regular polygon means all of its angles are equal and all the sides are equal. Then only we call it as a regular polygon. So exterior angle of regular polygon is given as 12 degree and we need to find number of sides in that polygon. We have a direct formula for this. Exterior angle of a polygon is given as 12 degree. The formula to find number of sides of a polygon is number of sides of polygon is equal to 360 degree divided by exterior angle. This is the formula. So 360 degree divided by exterior angle 12 degree. We can use 12 table. 112 is 12, 3 12s are 36, 0, 30. So number of sides of the polygon is equal to number of sides of the polygon of degree. Each angle 12 degree is nothing but 30 sides. Okay, let's go to next one. The smallest whole number by which 44 should be multiplied so as to make it perfect square is. So we need to find the smallest whole number by which 44 should be multiplied. In order to find that, we need to find prime factorization of 44. 44. We can use 2 table 22 times. Again 2 table 11 times. So 44 can be written as 2 into 11. Look here. Here 2 is in the pair. But 11 doesn't have a pair. So perfect square means if you expand and write means you can express all the numbers in pairs. If you can express all the numbers in pair means then that is a perfect square. But here 2 is the only pair but 11 doesn't have a pair. So the number I should multiply is 11. If I multiply 11 with this one means 11 also becomes a pair. Again here we get a perfect square. So what should be multiplied? 11 should be multiplied. 11 should be multiplied. Okay, let's go to next sum. There are 1, 2, 3, 2, 1 workers in a factory. They stand in such a way that the number of workers in each row is equal to number of rows. How many workers stand in each row? So there is a factory. There are people standing in that factory. For example, that factory, if there are 5 people in each row, means the number of rows will be equal to 5. If there are 6 people in each row, means the number of rows is equal to 6. If there are 7 people, means the number of rows is equal to 7. So number of rows and number of people in each row. Let me take number of rows is equal to x. Then number of people in each row is equal to, if there are x rows, if there are 10 rows, means then in each row there are 10 people standing. If there are x rows, means then how many people are there in each row? Same, equal to x. So number of people in each row is equal to x. Can you understand how we have written number of people in each row is equal to x? Because number of people and number of workers in each row are equal. So now number of rows, if I want to find what is total workers means, total workers is given as 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. So total workers is nothing but number of rows into number of workers in each row is equal to 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. That is x square is equal to 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Square going this side, it becomes square root. So x is equal to square root of 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. We can take square root here. Okay, we can find using long division method. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. So using long division method, we need to pair them. So I am pairing them. We need to start pairing from right to left. So I am start pairing from right to left. So here this one is left out 1. Okay, 1. The perfect square is 1 ones are 1. Remainder 0. Next we can bring the second pair, that is 23. Now 1 into 2, that is 2. Now I need to check which number I should put. If I put 1 means 21 into 1 I get 21. If I put 2 means 22 into 2 I get 44, which is greater than 21. So we can put 1 time 21, remainder 2, 221, again 11 into 2 we get 22. Again if I put 1 means 22, 1 into 1 means again I get 221. Exact answer, so we can put 1 here, 1, 221, 0. So what is the perfect square? 111. So we can write x is equal to 111. X is nothing but number of rows or number of people in each row. In question they have asked us to find how many workers stand in each row. So we can write number of workers in each row is equal to 1, 1, 1. So using long division method we found what is the answer. Let's go to the next sum. Cubical boxes of volume 15625 centimeter cube each are put in a cubical store of side 2.5 meter. How many such boxes can be put into the store? So small cubical boxes are there. They are putting that cubical boxes inside a cubical store of size 2.5 meter. Now volume of the cubical boxes is given. That is smaller volume. We need to find smaller volume and bigger volume. We can find number of boxes by using the formula bigger volume by smaller volume. For this sum, bigger volume is nothing but the cubical store. Cubical store is the bigger volume, and then smaller volume is nothing but the cubical boxes. So if you find volume of cubical stores by volume of cubical boxes means we get number of boxes. So we can find that volume of cubical boxes, that is smaller volume. Smaller volume. Volume of cubical boxes they have given in the question itself. 15625 centimeter cube. So we have volume already. Next, bigger volume. In order to find bigger volume, the side of the cubical store is given as 2.5 meter. So side is equal to 2.5 meter. Let me convert 2.5 meter to centimeter. We know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 2.5 meter is equal to 2.5 into 100. Decimal point moves 2 places. We get 250 meter. Centimeter. So side is equal to 250 centimeter. Volume is equal to side cube. So 250 whole cube. That is 250 into 250 into 250. 25 into 25, 625. And 2 zeros into 250. So 625 into 25. 5 5s are 25, balance 1. 5 2s are 10 plus 1, 11, balance 1. 6 5s are 30 plus 1, 31. 2 2s are 4. Sorry, 2 5s are 10, balance 1. 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5. 6 2s are 12. 5 1 6 5 1. 1 5 6 1 5. How many zeros? 1 2 3. So 1 2 3. Unit is centimeter. So centimeter cube. So we can write number of boxes is equal to bigger volume by smaller volume. Here bigger volume is nothing but volume of cubical store. So volume of cubical store divided by volume of cubical boxes. So volume of cubical store is nothing but 15625,000 divided by volume of cubical boxes is 15625. So we can directly use this table 1 time 1000 times. So number of boxes is equal to 1000. So we can write answer as 1000 cubical boxes. So this is the required answer. So copy down this one in your classwork. Let's go to next sum. If a square plus 1 by a square is equal to 27, then what is the value of a minus 1 by a? So it is given that a square plus 1 by a square is equal to 27. We need to find a minus 1 by a. A minus 1 by a in order to find, let me square a minus 1 by a. A minus 1 by a whole square. It looks like a minus b whole square, right? A minus b whole square is nothing but a square minus 2ab plus b square. So if I substitute here means a minus 1 by a whole square. A square minus 2a. B is nothing but 1 by a. B, that is 1 by a whole square. A square, a gets cancelled, minus 2 plus 1 square by a square. So we can rewrite this one as a square plus 1 by a square minus 2. So a square plus 1 by a square is nothing but 27. 27 minus 2, which is nothing but 25. A minus 1 by a whole square is equal to 25. Whole square coming this side, it becomes square root. So a minus 1 by a is equal to square root of 25. Square root of 25, taking out square root, we should put plus or minus. So 25 is nothing but 5 into 5. From each pair we can take one number. So plus or minus 5. So a minus 1 by a is equal to plus or minus 5. So this is the answer. Okay, let's go to next sum. The sum of lengths of a trapezium base, length of bases of a trapezium is 12 centimeter and its area is 14.1 centimeter square, then its altitude will be. So let me take bases of trapezium as B1 and B2. Sum of bases means B1 plus B2. Sum of bases of a trapezium is given as 12 centimeter and area of trapezium is given as 14.1 centimeter square. Now we need to find altitude. Altitude is nothing but height of the trapezium. So in order to find height, let's write what is area of trapezium. Area of trapezium. The formula for area of trapezium is equal to half B1 plus B2 into H. So area of trapezium is 14.1. Half B1 plus B2. B1 plus B2 is 12 into H 1 times 6 times. So 14.1 is equal to 6 into H. 6 coming this side. 14.1 by 6 is equal to H. We can divide here. 14.1, 6. 2 times we get 12, balance 2, decimal point 1. 3 times we get 18, balance 3, 0, 5 times 30. So H is equal to 2.35 and unit is centimeter. So you can write 2.35 centimeter. So altitude of the trapezium is equal to 2.35 centimeter. Let's go to next sum. If the length, width and height of a cuboid are 4.2 meter, 3 meter and 1.1 meter respectively, then its capacity in liters will be. So here if we find the volume means we get volume in meter cube. You need to convert meter cube to liters. We have a relation for that. So using that we can convert. Let's find what is volume in meter cube. Length L is equal to 4.2 meter. Breadth B is given as 3 meter. And height H is given as 1.1 meter. Volume of cuboid. Volume of cuboid, the formula is L into B into H cubic units. L 4.2 into 3 into 1.1. So 4.2 into 3 into 1.1. 3 2s are 6, balance 1, 3 4s are 12 plus 1, 13 into 1.1. So again 6 3 1 6 3 1 6 9 4 1 1 4. Sorry, here 12. So 1 2 6 1 2 6. Here we get 8. Here we get 3. So we get 1386, moving 2 decimal point we get 13.86 meter cube. So volume is equal to 13.86 meter cube. We know that 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liters. Then 13.86 meter cube is equal to 13.86 into 1000. So the decimal point moves 3 places, which means 13860 liters. So what is the capacity of the tank? This is very important relation. Write this one. So capacity of tank is equal to 13860 liters. So which is the required answer? Let's go to next sum. A road roller is 350 centimeter long and its diameter is 84 centimeter. It takes 500 complete revolutions to travel road. The area covered by it in meters square will be. Listen, there is a road roller. What is the shape of road roller? Road roller shape is nothing but cylinder, right? It is in the shape of cylinder. So the length of the cylinder is given as 350 meter. Length of the cylinder is nothing but height of the cylinder. So height of the cylinder is 350 centimeter and its diameter is 84 centimeter. So we need to find how many revolutions it will. So 500 revolutions means we need to find the area covered by it. Listen, in order to find what is the area means, for one revolution it is nothing but lateral surface area of the cylinder, right? So if I find what is lateral surface area for one round means I can multiply and find for 500 rounds. So height is given as 350 centimeter. In question they have asked us to find the answer in meter square. So let me convert to meter square here itself. So if I convert centimeter to meter means we know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So just divide by 100. Now it becomes meter. 0, 0 gets cancelled. This is 7 times 35 and 2. So we can write 7 by 2 meter. And diameter is given as 84 centimeter. Radius is nothing but d by 2. So radius is equal to 84 divided by 2, which is nothing but 42 centimeter. So centimeter to meter means 42 centimeter to meter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So we can divide by 100. 42 divided by 100 centimeter. Centimeter, now it becomes meter. Now we have height is equal to 7 by 2 meter. And radius is equal to 42 by 100 meter. So we can convert it. We can find what is lateral surface area of a cylinder. LSA of a cylinder is nothing but 2 pi RH. So 2 into pi, 22 by 7 into radius 42 by 100 into 7 by 2 height. So 2 gets cancelled. 42, 7, we can use 7 table. 1 7 is 7. 6 7s are 42. Again we can use 2 table. If I use 2 table means this is 3 times. This is 50 times. Again we can use 2 table. 11 time. 25 time. So the remaining things are 11 into 3 divided by 25 meter square. LSA is equal to meter square. So 1 revolution. So for 1 revolution the area is 33 by 25 meter square. Then for 500 revolutions we can just multiply 500 into 33 by 25. 1 time, 20 time. Sorry, here we have a 7. I forgot that 7. So we can add 7 here. Into 7. So into 7 means we get 20 into 33 into 7. So 2 7s are 14. 140 into 33. 14 into 33 we can multiply. 3 4s are 12. Balance 1. 3 1s are 3 plus 1 4. 3 4s are 12. Balance 1. 3 plus 1 4. 2 6 4. So we get 4620 meter square. So what is the area covered by the cylinder? Area covered by road roller in 500 revolutions is equal to 4620 meter square. Okay, copy down this one in your classwork. Let's go to next sum. A solid cuboidal piece of wood measures 3 meter into 2.5 meter into 8 centimeter. Find the weight of the piece if 1 cubic centimeter of wood weighs 9 gram. The dimensions of the cuboidal piece is given. So dimensions, that is length into breadth into height, L into B into H is given as 3 meter into 2.5 meter into 8 centimeter. So what we are going to do is we are going to convert length and breadth to centimeter. That's what really we can find the volume in cubic centimeter. So L is equal to 3 meter. We know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Then 3 meter is equal to 3 into 100. That is 300 centimeter. And breadth is equal to 2.5 meter. So 2.5 into 100, which is nothing but 250 centimeter. Height is equal to 8 centimeter. Now we have length, breadth and height. We can find what is volume. Volume is equal to L into B into H. So L is nothing but 300 into 250 into 8. L into B into H. So multiplying we get 3 into 25, 75. 0, 0, 0 into 8. So 0, 0, 0. 5 8s are 40, balance 4. 8 7s are 56 plus 4, 60 centimeter cube. So 1 tens under 6 lakh centimeter cube volume is equal to. Now weight of 1 centimeter cube is given as 9 gram. Then weight of 6 lakh centimeter cube is equal to 9 into 6 lakh. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9 6 are 54. So 54 gram. So weight is equal to 5400,000 gram. We can convert it to kg. 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. So dividing by 1000, 5400,000 divided by 1000. 0 zeros gets cancelled. We get 5400 kg. So weight of the wood is equal to 5400 kg. So this is the answer. A well was dug with 14 meter inner diameter and was 8 meter deep. The earth dug out of it was evenly spread out on a rectangular plot of size 10 meter by 8 meter. Find the raise in the height of the plot. There is a well. The shape of the well is in form of cylinder. So this is the well. Let's imagine this as the well. So this well has inner diameter. The inner diameter of the well is given as 14 meter and height was 8 meter. They are digging out the sand from this well and they are forming a rectangular plot. What they are forming? They are forming a rectangular plot with this one. So let's take this as a rectangular plot. For this rectangular plot, the length is nothing but 10 meter and breadth is nothing but 8 meter. Now we need to find what is the raise in the rectangular plot. That is the height of the rectangular plot. In order to find what is height of the rectangular plot, look here. Volume of the well is equal to the volume of the earth spread out on the rectangular plot. So both the volumes are same. Volume of rectangular plot is equal to volume of the well. So if I use that formula means volume of well is equal to volume of plot. So volume of well means well is in the form of cylinder. Then what is the volume of cylinder? Pi r square h. And volume of plot. Plot is in the form of cuboid. So L into B into H. So pi 22 by 7 or else we can just take H. H is equal to L into B into. So we need height of the well. So H is equal to pi r square H divided by L into B. So pi means 22 by 7. R square. The radius. Diameter is given as 14 meter. Then radius is equal to D by 2. So 14 by 2 which is nothing but 7 meter. 7 square into height is 8 meter divided by length of the well is 10 meter into breadth of the well is 8 meter. We can rewrite this 22 by into 7 into 7 into 8, 7 into 10 into 8, 8 gets cancelled, 7 gets cancelled. We can use 2 table, 5 times, this is 11 times. So we get 11 into 7, 77 by 5, 5 table, 1 5 is 5, balance 2, 5 times 25, balance 2. So if I put 0 means, so 0 means we get 20, which is nothing but 4 times. So the answer is 15.4 meter. What is the height of the rectangular plot or raise in rectangular plot? Raise in rectangular plot is 15.4 meter. Okay, let's go to next sum. If 5 power 3x plus 4 is equal to 25 into 5 power 4x minus 1, then the value of x is. So 5 power 3x plus 4 is equal to 25 into 5 power 4x minus 1. So 5 power 3x plus 4, we can keep this as it is. Here look here, 25 can be written as 5 square into, here we have 5 power 4x minus 1. Here same base number or in multiplication, we know that a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. So we can add the powers. So if I add the powers means 5 power 2 plus 4x minus 1. Here we get 5 power 3x plus 4. 5 power 3x plus 4 is equal to 5 power 2 minus 1, 1, 4x plus 1. Now look here, when you have a form like this, a power m is equal to b power a power n means, if bases are equal means then powers are also equal. So here 5 bases are equal, then we can equate the powers. So 3x plus 4 is equal to 4x plus 1. 3x coming this side, it becomes minus 4x minus 3x. 4 plus 1 coming this side, it becomes minus 1. So 3x, which implies x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3 is the required answer. So copy down this one in your classwork. Write the identities also. Let's go to next sum. Sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9. If 9 is subtracted from the number, then the digits interchange their places. The original number is. So there is a 2-digit number whose sum is equal to 9. So let's take the 2-digit number, ones digit and tens digit. Let me take ones digit as x. Ones digit x and tens digit y, but it is given that the sum of the 2 digits, sum of the digits is equal to 9. Sum is equal to 9 means look here, x ones digit plus tens digit, ones digit plus tens digit is equal to 9. So what is sum? Sum is equal to 9. Sum of digits is equal to 9. So let me take ones digit as x and tens digit as y. So if I find sum of the digits means I get sum as 9. Okay. If you have any doubt with this step, next one we need to form the required number. Whenever you take a 2-digit number, for example, if you take 53 means 3 is ones digit, 5 is tens digit, and how can you expand this one 53? 50 plus 3. 50 can be written as 10 into 5 plus 3. So we always write the number tens digit into 10 plus 3 means we get the required number. So here we have ones digit and tens digit. So what is tens digit number? Y. If you write in this form means what you get? 10 into y plus ones digit x, which is nothing but 10y plus x. So 10y plus x is the original number. Original number. Now they are interchanging the digits. Ones place becomes tens place and tens place become ones place. What is ones place here? x. Now x comes to tens place. What is tens place here? Y. Now y comes to ones place. Now what is the new number? New number again same way. 10 into x digit. What is x? Sorry, tens digit x plus ones digit y, that is 10x plus y. Listen carefully. What is given? 10y. Sorry, what tens digit y and ones digit x means the required number is 10y plus x. This is the original number. Now they are interchanging the digits. For example, 53 interchanging means 35. How you can write 30 plus 5? 10 into 3 plus 5. In the same way, we have written the new number as 10x plus y. So what is original number? Original number is equal to 10y plus x. New number formed after interchanging the digits is equal to 10x plus y. So original number and new number. Now we have two numbers here. What they have given is, if you subtract 9 from the if you subtract 9 from the original number means you get the new number. So original number minus 9 is equal to new number. What is original number? 10y plus x minus 9 is equal to 10x plus y. Let me keep 9 this side and bring other digits here. 10y plus x. Here plus 10x coming this side, it becomes minus 10x. And we get minus y is equal to plus 9. 10y minus y. 10y minus y, we get 9y. X minus 10x, we get minus 9x is equal to 9. In both the terms, 9 is common. If I take out 9 means y minus x is equal to 9. Y minus x is equal to 9. So 9. Coming this side, we get y minus x is equal to 9 by 9. So y minus x is equal to 9. 9 gets cancelled 1. So we have x plus y equal to 9. X plus y equal to 9, or y plus x is equal to 9. Y plus x is equal to 9. Y minus x is equal to 1. If you add this means you get plus x minus x gets cancelled. 2 y plus y 2y. 9 plus 1 10. 2y is equal to 10. Y is equal to 10 by 2. So y is equal to 5. Now we have y is equal to 5. We get y minus x is equal to 1. So 5 minus x is equal to 1. 5 minus 1 is equal to x. So x is equal to 4. Now we have x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 5. So x is nothing but ones digit 4, tens digit 5. So required number is equal to 54. So what is the original number? Original number is equal to 54. Let's go to next sum. You are given the multiplication of two numbers as below. The values of letters A, B, C, D, E, F and G are. We need to find what is the value of letters A, B, C, D and G. Look here for this one. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6, right? Next, 2 into A equal to 4. So we get 2A. 2A is equal to 4. Then what is the value of A? A is equal to 4 by 2. So A is equal to 2. Now we have A equal to 2. So what are the options that have A equal to 2? Option A and C. So next we need to find 2 into 5. 2 5s are 10. So here we should get 10, right? 10 means what I should put here? C equal to 0. So option A, it has A equal to 2 and C equal to 0. We need to find what is the value of B. So here we have B is equal to 4, right? So just take B is equal to 4 and we can solve. Let me take B equal to 4. If I put B equal to 4 means, look here, 5, what is the value of A? A is equal to 2. 5, 2, 3. Here B, if I put 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. So C we get 0. Again, 4 3s are 12. Remainder 1. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Here also we get 9. Again, 4 5s are 20. 20. So what we get here? 0. So in place of D, what you get? 0. So you can put D is equal to 0. Again, so if you add means 6, 4 plus 2, 6. So what you get here? 6. So which means G is equal to 6. And then 0 plus 9. 0 plus 9, 9. So what you get for F? F is equal to 9. And here 1 plus 0, 1. So E, in place of E you get 2. So E is equal to 2. So what are the values of A? A is equal to 2, B is equal to 4, C is equal to 0, D is equal to 0, E is equal to 2. E is equal to 2. Look here. Here 2. E is equal to 2. F is equal to 9. And G is equal to 6. So option A is the correct answer. Okay. Next one. From a pack of 52 playing cards, one card is drawn at random. The probability of the drawn card being a black 10 or a king is. So the total number of outcomes in a playing card is 52. Now we need favorable outcomes. Our favorable outcomes are black 10. So black 10 means there are two black 10. One is black 10 of spades and another is black 10 of clover or clubs. So this is another black 10. So how many black 10s we have? We have two black 10s. And then king. How many king we have? We have king of hearts, king of diamonds, king of spades, king of clubs. So we have 4 kings. So favorable outcomes, black is equal to 2, black 10 2 plus king 4. So favorable outcomes is equal to 6. So probability of getting a 10 or black 10 or king is equal to F by T, that is 6 by 52. If I use 2 table means 3 times 26 times, though the favorable outcomes. The probability is 3 by 26. Let's go to next sum. A spider is climbing a wall. It climbs up 5 centimeter, falls 3 centimeter back. Climbs up another 4 centimeter, falls 6 centimeter back 6 centimeter and climbs up another 5 centimeter. How far the spider has climbed from its starting point? So let's this be the starting point of the spider. Now first the spider climbs up 5 centimeter. How much centimeter it climbs? 5 centimeter. So this is 5 centimeter. And then it falls back 3 centimeter. Now it starts 5 centimeter and it falls back 3 centimeter. So falls back 3 centimeter. Now what is this length? Where is the spider now? Now the spider is 5 minus 3, that is 2 centimeter. Now it is in the length of 2 centimeter. Okay. From 2 centimeter it again climbs up another 4 centimeter. So it climbs up 4 centimeter. So it climbs up 4 centimeter. Now from starting point 2 centimeter plus 4, it has totally climbed 6 centimeter. Now it is given that it falls back 6 centimeter. Again it falls back 6 centimeter. Again falls back 6 centimeter means it comes to starting point again. So it is in starting point. Now it climbs up another 5 centimeter. Now it climbs another 5 centimeter. Now how much distance it climbed from the starting point? So it has climbed only 5 centimeter from the starting point. So answer is 5 centimeter. Listen carefully, I'll explain once again. First it starts and climbs 5 centimeter and it falls back 3 centimeter, which means it is at 2 centimeter. Here it is the spider. Now it starts climbing 4 centimeter and falls back 6 centimeter. So here comes 4 centimeter plus 2 6, which means it comes to the starting point. Now the spider is in starting point and then climbs 5 centimeter. So how much it climbed? 5 centimeter. So the answer is 5 centimeter. Let's go to next one. What will be the amount and compound interest on rupees 5,000 in 3 years if the rate of interest is 4% for 5 year first year, 3% for second year and 2% for third year? So here principal is equal to rupees 5,000 and successive rate of interest is given. R1 is equal to 4%, R2 is equal to 3%, R3 is equal to 2%. So R1, R2, R3. Now the formula to find amount is P into 1 plus R1 by 100 plus 1 plus R2 by 100 plus 1 plus R3 by 100. So P into P is 5,000 into 1 plus 4 by 100, 1 plus 3 by 100, 1 plus 2 by 100. So 5,000 into 1 time 25 times 25 into 1, 25 plus 1, 26, 26 by 25. Here 100 plus 3, 103, 103 by 100 plus 1 time 50 times 50 into 1, 50, 50 plus 1, 51, 51 by 50. 0, 0 gets cancelled, 50, 50 gets cancelled. 26 into 103 into 51 divided by 50 divided by 25. So multiplying and dividing we get 5463.12. So amount is equal to 5463.12. CI is equal to amount minus principal. So 5463.12 minus 5,000. We get 463.12. So amount is equal to 5463.12 and CI compound interest is equal to 463.12 rupees. Okay, let's go to next sum. The smallest square number which is divisible by each one of the numbers 8, 9 and 10 is. We need to find the smallest square number that is divisible by 8, 9 and 10. Let's find the LCM for 8, 9, 10. So for 8, 9, 10 we can use 2 table, 4, 9, 5, 3 table, 4, 3, 5, 3 table, 4, 1, 5, 2 table, 2, 1, 5, 2 table, 1, 1, 5, 5 table, 1, 1, 1. So LCM is equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 5. So next we need to form pairs. So look what are the pairs here. 3 into 3 and 2 into 2 are pair of equal factors. Now what are the numbers that are left out here? 2 and 5. So if I multiply another 2 and another 5 means these numbers will get a perfect square. So what must be multiplied? 2 into 5 must be multiplied. 2 into 5 must be multiplied. 2 into 5 is 10. 10 must be multiplied. So 10 must be multiplied means if you multiply these numbers what you get? 3 3s are 9. 9 4s are 36. 36 into 10 360. So already the LCM is 360. If you multiply 10 with 360 means 360 into 10 you get 3600. So what is the smallest perfect square which is divisible by 8, 9, 10 is 3600. So answer is 3600. Let's go to next sum. 25% of a number is less than 18% of 650 by 19. So let the number be x. Then according to question we get 25% of x is less than 18% of 650 by 19. So we can subtract this. So 25 by 100 into x is equal to 18 by 100 into 650 minus 19. So 1 time 4 time x by 4 is equal to, so if I use 550 table means this is 2 time 1 time 50 balance 50 3 13 times 1 time 9 time 9 into 13 minus 19 x by 4 is equal to 117 minus 19 x by 4 is equal to 98 x is equal to 98 into 4, therefore x is equal to 392, which is the required answer. Let's go to the next sum. If cost price is 25% of selling price, then the profit percentage is, if you want to find what is profit percentage means, the formula is profit by CP into 100. We need what is profit and what is also CP. So let me take SP is equal to rupees 100. If SP is equal to 100 means what is CP? CP is 25% of SP, that is 25 by 100 into SP is 100. 0, 0 gets cancelled, we get 25. So what is CP? CP is equal to 25 and SP is equal to rupees 100. So we can find profit. Profit is equal to SP minus CP. What is SP here? 100 minus CP 25. We get profit as rupees 75. Profit percentage. Profit percentage is equal to profit by CP into 100. So profit is nothing but 75 by CP. 25 into 100, 1 time, 3 time, 3 into 100, which is nothing but 300%. So profit is equal to, or profit percentage is equal to 300%. This is the required answer. Okay, look at sum number 41. Area of a rectangle whose length is 4AB and breadth is 6B square is. What is the formula for area of a rectangle? Area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Here length is given as 4AB and breadth B is equal to 6B square. So L into B means 4AB into 6B square. 4AB, 4 6 are 24. A B into B square, which is nothing but B cube. So area is equal to 24A B cube, which is the required answer. Let's go to next sum. A cube of side 4 cm contains a sphere touching its side. Then volume of the gap in between is. There is a cube. So let me take this as a cube. Okay, if we take this as a cube means inside this cube there is a sphere. They are putting a sphere. For example, you can consider a ball. If you put a ball inside a cubical box, imagine like that. So imagine this as a sphere. This sphere is touching each face of the sphere. So it is touching all the faces in the sphere. It is not touching any of the other sides. It is directly touching all the faces of the sphere. So if it is touching the faces means these remaining spaces, we need to find what is the area of this remaining space. So in order to find the area of remaining space, we need to find what is bigger area minus smaller area. Here bigger area is bigger volume minus smaller volume. Here bigger volume is nothing but volume of cube and smaller volume is nothing but volume of sphere. So if you take the cube means this cube is 4 centimeter. So what is the side of the cube? Side of the cube is nothing but 4 centimeter. Now if you take this sphere means this sphere is touching the face. It is touching each face of the cube, which means the diameter of the sphere is nothing but 4 centimeter, right? So now we have diameter of sphere and side of cube. So cube is the bigger volume. Bigger volume. Side is equal to 4 centimeter. Volume is equal to, let me take bigger volume as V1. V1 is equal to side cube, that is 4 cube. 4 cube is nothing but 64. Next, smaller volume. Smaller volume is nothing but sphere. For sphere, diameter is 4 centimeter. Then radius is equal to diameter by 2, which is nothing but 2 centimeter. Volume of sphere, let me take volume of sphere as V2. The formula for volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r cube, that is 2 cube. 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 8. 4 into 22, 88 into 8 divided by 21. So if we multiply means we get 88 into 8. 8 8s are 64, balance 6. 8 8s are 64 plus 6, 70. 704 divided by 21. So dividing by 21, we can directly use 21 table. So 3 times, again we get, again 3 times, point, if you add 0 means you get 5 times, 5 2. So you get 33.52. Volume 2 is equal to 33.52 centimeter cube. Area of gap is equal to volume of cube, that is V1, minus volume of sphere. Volume of cube is nothing but 64 minus volume of sphere is nothing but 33.52. 64 minus 33.52 is nothing but 30.48 centimeter cube. So area of the gap, so the remaining area or volume of the gap is equal to, here this is not area, this is volume. So volume of gap is equal to 30.48 centimeter cube. Let's go to next sum. Next, the total surface area of a cone having its slant height 9 decimeter and diameter of its base as 24 meter is. So let's take a cone. So if we take this as a cone means, let me take radius of the base as r and the slant line. Here the length of the slant line as L. We need to find TSA of a cone. If you want to find TSA means whatever may be the shape, TSA of any shape is nothing but curved surface area plus base area. Here curved surface area means, so this surface, curved surface of a cone, curved surface area of a cone is nothing but pi r L, where r is radius and L is nothing but length of the slanting line. So length of the slanting line, pi r L plus base area. Base is a circle. So area of a circle is nothing but pi r square. In both the terms we get pi r as common. If I take pi r outside means here we have r, L and r. So TSA of a cone is nothing but pi r plus L plus r square units. Here we are given that length, that is the length of slanting line as 9 decimeter, diameter as 24 decimeter, radius is equal to d by 2, so 24 by 2 which is nothing but 12 decimeter. If you substitute the value means 22 by 7 into radius 12 into L 9 plus 12, 22 by 7 into 12 into 21, 1 time, 3 time, 22 into 3, 66. 66 into 12 is equal to 792. Here the unit is decimeter, so decimeter square. So TSA of cone. TSA of a cone is equal to 792 decimeter square. Okay, copy down this one in your class book. Let's go to next sum. A chord of a circle is of length 6 centimeter and it is at distance of 4 centimeter from its center. Then find the radius of the circle. So listen here. So let me take this as a circle and this is the center of circle. Now I am drawing a chord. So this is the chord of circle. So this chord is 6 centimeter long. So length of the chord is 6 centimeter and this chord is 4 centimeter from the center. So this is 4 centimeter from the center. Now I need to find what is the radius of this circle. So we need to find what is radius of the circle. Tell me one thing, radius is always same, right? If it is from here to here or here to here or here to here, or else if it is from here to here. This is also radius, right? So this one is a radius. If this total length is 6 centimeter means this chord is bisecting, which means this is 3 centimeter and this is 3 centimeter. Now we have a right angle triangle. I'm just taking this one. Let me name this as OAB and this one as C. So OCB is a right angle triangle where OC is equal to 4 centimeter and CD is equal to 3 centimeter. If I find what is OD means OD is nothing but radius of the circle. This is hypotenuse of a right angle triangle and also radius of the circle. So we can find using Pythagoras theorem. So if I use Pythagoras theorem means we get hypotenuse square is equal to adjacent side square plus opposite side square. So if I want to find what is hypotenuse means hypotenuse is nothing but square root of. So what is adjacent side here? Adjacent side is CD. Square root of CD square plus OC square. OD is equal to C square root of CD is 3 square plus OC is 4 square. So square root of 9 plus 16 square root of 25 which is nothing but 5. So OD is equal to 5 centimeter. OD is nothing but radius of the circle. So radius of circle is equal to 5 centimeter. So which is the required answer? Let's go to next sum. The mean of 40 observations was 160. It was detected on rechecking that the value of 165 was wrongly copied as 125 for computation of mean. Find the correct means. If I want to find mean means I need sum and number of observations. We have number of observations as 40. So that is okay. But we don't know what is sum, right? We need to find sum because the old sum is wrong. Instead of taking a value as 165, they have wrongly taken it as 125. So the mean varies, right? Now we need to find what is the original sum divided by number of observations. We get mean of the given data. Mean is nothing but average. So average is given as 160 and number of observations is given as 40. So the formula to find sum is nothing but average into number of observations. So 160 into 40, 0, 0, 16 into 4, 64. So sum is equal to 6,400. So this 6,400 is for average 160. But the new sum, we need to find what is new sum. New sum in order to find means we need to subtract the wrongly taken data. Wrongly taken data is 125. So let me subtract 125 and Add the correct data. What is the correct data? 165. So this 125 is already in the 6400. So I am removing this 125. That's why I am subtracting. And I need to add the original data, correct data from that. So I am adding 165. So 6400 minus 125 plus 165. Bigger number sign is plus. So 165 minus 125 we get 40. So we get 6440. So new sum S1 is equal to 6440. Number of observations is same, 40 only. So sum is nothing but 6440. So average or mean. Mean is equal to sum by number of observations. So 6440 by 40. 0, 0 gets cancelled one time. One time balance 2. 6 times 24, 1. So 161. So what is the mean of 40 observations? 161. They have wrongly taken it as 160, but the correct mean is 161. Let's go to next sum. If x plus y is equal to 12 and xy is equal to 27, then the value of x cube plus y cube is. So it is given that x plus y is equal to 12, xy is equal to 27. So let me take cube. So let me take x plus y whole cube. X plus y whole cube means here we get 12 cube. So what is the formula for x plus y whole cube? We know that a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So if I use that formula means x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y is equal to 12 cube. 12 into 12 is nothing but 144. 144 into 12, 1728. You need to memorize cube table also for up to 15. So 1728 x cube plus y cube plus 3 into xy is 27 into 12 equal to 1728. So x cube plus y cube plus, we need to multiply this. So multiplying we get 972 is equal to 1728. So subtracting we get x cube plus y cube is equal to 1728 minus 972. So subtracting we get 6, borrowing 5 and remainder 7. 756. So x cube plus y cube is equal to 756, which is the required answer. Let's go to next sum. In what time will a sum of money doubled itself at 6 1/4% per annum on simple interest? So a sum of money is doubling itself. For example, if you give 100 rupees means you get back 200 rupees. If you give 1000 rupees means you will get back 2000 rupees. So that is what you get. Now we need to find the number of years it will take to double the money for simple interest. So let me take principal as rupees x. Now amount doubles, right? Amount doubles means 2 into principal. So 2 into x, rupees 2x. Amount is equal to rupees 2x. What is the formula for SI? SI is equal to amount minus principal. So 2x minus x, 2x minus x is x. So rupees x. Now the formula for number of years is equal to SI into 100 divided by P into R. Here rate of interest is given as 6 1/4%. 6 4s are 24 plus 1 25. 25/4%. So SI is x into 100 divided by principal is x into rate of interest 25/4. So 4 comes to numerator, xx gets cancelled. 100 into 4 divided by 25. 25 one times, this is 4 times. 4 into 4 which is nothing but 16. So number of years is equal to 16 years. So how much time it will take? It will take 16 years to double the given money. Okay. So let's go to next sum. In a triangle, ABC. E is the midpoint of the median AD. Then area of triangle BED is area of triangle ABC 0, 1 by 2 area of triangle ABC or 1 by 4 triangle of A by C. So let me explain this sum with diagram. So let me take this as a triangle ABC. So this is our triangle ABC and AD is the median. Median means it bisects AC, BC directly. So AD is the median. Now E is the midpoint of AD. So E is midpoint of AD. Now we need to find what is area of triangle BED. So let me draw a line to BE. So BE is midpoint of triangle. BE is median of triangle AD. Midpoint of triangle ABD. If you take triangle ABC means AD is median of ABC. If you just take triangle ABD means BE is median of triangle ABD. Okay, now if you take triangle here ABD, triangle ABD is equal to triangle ADC because these two triangles are equal. Y means AD is the median, so these two triangles must be equal. Okay, so ABD is equal to triangle ADC. Now if you take triangle ABD means this is for triangle ABC. Next triangle ABD. If you take triangle ABD means BE is median of triangle ABD. So BE is the median of our triangle ABD, which means ABE, triangle ABE is equal to triangle BED. Triangle BED. So now let me take area of triangle ABC. What is area of triangle ABC? Area of triangle ABC is nothing but area of ABD plus area of ADC. We need to add these two triangles. 1 plus 2 we get area of triangle ABC. So we can write area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle ADC. But we have a relation that ABD and ADC are equal, right? These two triangles are equal. So shall I substitute here area of triangle ABD plus here instead of writing triangle ADC, shall I write triangle ABD? I can write right because ABD and ADC are equal. Now we have ABD plus ABD, which is nothing but 2 area of ABD. So area of triangle ABC is equal to 2 into area of triangle ABD. And also, so if you take triangle ABD, ABD is also composed into 2 triangles. Let me take X and Y. So area of ABD is equal to ABE plus BED. So ABE plus BED. What is ABE? ABE is equal to BED, right? So here I can write BED. BED plus BED we get 2 BED. So here instead of writing triangle ABD we can write 2 BED. So 2 into, instead of writing triangle ABD we can write 2 into area of triangle BED. So which is nothing but 4 into area of BED. So here area of triangle ABC. If I bring 4 this side means it becomes division. So area of triangle BED is equal to 1 by 4 into area of triangle ABC. So option D is the correct answer. Let's go to next sum. The radius of a spherical balloon increases from 7 centimeter to 14 centimeter as air is being pumped into it. Find the ratio of surface area of balloon in 2 cases. So there is a spherical balloon. First, the radius of the spherical balloon is 7 centimeter. Now the air is increased. So the radius of the spherical balloon is increased to 14 centimeter. Now we need to find what is the ratio of surface area. So surface area, let me take small one as surface area 1 and second one as surface area 2. So surface area 1 and surface area 2. In order to find surface area, we have formula. Surface area of a sphere is nothing but 4 pi r square. So here let me take radius of this first sphere as small r and radius of second sphere as capital R. Capital R is 14 centimeter. Now surface area 1 and surface area 2 is equal to. So ratio is equal to surface area 1 is to surface area 2. That is pi small 4 pi small r square is to 4 pi capital R square. So 4 pi r square divided by 4 pi r square. 4 pi gets cancelled. R square by r square. R square is 7 square by 14 square. 7 into 7 by 14 into 14. 1 time, 2 time, 1 time, 2 time, which is nothing but 1 by 4. So the ratio is 1 is to 4. So what is the required ratio? 1 is to 4. Okay, this is the last sum. Two isosceles triangles have equal vertical angles and their areas in the ratio 25 is to 36. Find the ratio of their corresponding heights. So there are two isosceles triangles. They have equal vertical angles. The vertical angles are equal. Now we need to find the height of these angles, ratio of their height. Now area is given. Area of the isosceles triangles are given. They are in the ratio 25 is to 36. So we can find this. So these are the two isosceles triangle. Let me take this one as PQR and this one as ABC. So the height is nothing but PS and here the height is AD. Look here, this is the isosceles triangle. It is given that area of triangle PQR to the and area of triangle ABC are in the ratio 25 is to 36. Now we need to find ratio of their heights. So it is also given that in this triangle vertical angles. So this is the vertical angles. Vertical angles are equal. So if this is x degree means this one is also x degree. Vertical angles are equal. Here if areas are equal means then the height, their corresponding height squares are also in the same ratio. So if I take this height as h1 and this height as h2 means then area of triangle PQR is to area of triangle ABC is equal to the which ratio is equal means the height ratio is also same. So h1 square to h2 square is also same is equal to 25 is to 36. So area of triangles are in same ratio means then their altitude square is also in same ratio. So altitude square means h1 square h2 square. So we can write this one as h1 square by h2 square is equal to 25 by 36. A power m by a power b power m is equal to a by b whole power m. So we can write H1 by H2 whole square is equal to 25 by 36. Square coming this side, it becomes square root. Square root of 25 by 36. So we can split the square root of 25 by square root of 36, because square root of P by Q is equal to square root of P divided by square root of Q. So square root of 25 is nothing but 5 by 6. So H1 by H2 is in the ratio 5 by 6. So H1 is to H2 is equal to 5 is to 6. So the ratio of their altitudes or the ratio of their heights is nothing but 5 is to 6. Okay. With this we can end today's class. I'll give you a worksheet. Finish that worksheet and send it through WhatsApp. Okay. Thank you.